Oracle Apex Practice Test 2026 Oracle Application Express Certification Exam Questions and Answers. Question 1. What is the primary language used for developing business logic in Oracle Apex? Java, Python, PL/SQL, C#. Oracle Apex is built on the Oracle database and uses PL/SQL for server-side logic. Question 2. Which component in Apex allows users to view, search, and filter data with high customization? Classic report, interactive report, form, static content. Interactive reports, IR, offer powerful end-user features like filtering, sorting, and charting. Question 3. What is an Apex workspace? A physical computer, a virtual area where you develop applications associated with database schemas, a CSS file, the database kernel. A workspace is a shared work area where multiple developers can build applications. Question 4. Which process occurs when a user clicks a submit button on an Apex page? Page rendering, page processing, AJAX callback, authentication. Page processing handles the logic after a page is submitted, computations, validations, processes. Question 5. What is Universal Theme in Apex? A set of SQL scripts, a responsive UI framework for building modern applications, a database plugin, a security protocol. The Universal Theme, Theme 42, is the standard, responsive UI for modern Apex apps. Question 6. Which Apex feature allows for the creation of mobile-friendly applications? Mobile Studio, responsive design in Universal Theme, only dedicated mobile apps, Java applets. Apex uses responsive design so apps work on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Question 7. What is the purpose of dynamic actions? To run server-side PL/SQL on a schedule. To define client-side interactivity without writing JavaScript. To create database tables. To manage user logins. Dynamic actions provide a declarative way to handle client-side events like clicks or value changes. Question 8. How do you reference the value of a page item named P1_name in SQL or PL/SQL? P1_name and P1_name. Hashtag P1_name hashtag $P1_name. In SQL and PL/SQL, bind variable syntax, :prefix is used. Question 9. Which Apex component is used to display data in a grid that can be edited? Interactive report, interactive grid, classic report, list view. Interactive Grid, IG, allows for both reporting and multi-row editing. Question 10. What is the application ID? A unique number identifying the application in a workspace. The user's password. The database name. The version of Apex. Every Apex application has a unique ID within the environment. Question 11. What does session state refer to in Apex? The physical location of the server, the persistent storage of item values across page requests, the database backup status, the user's browser type. Apex manages item values in session state to maintain context as users move between pages. Question 12. Which utility in Apex is used to upload and run SQL scripts? App Builder, SQL Workshop, Team Development, App Gallery. SQL Workshop provides tools for managing database objects and running SQL. Question 13. What is authentication in Apex? Verifying who the user is, granting permissions to specific pages, encrypting the database, validating form input. Authentication checks credentials, authorization checks permissions. Question 14. Which type of Apex component is used to group related items together on a page? Region, process, branch, computation. A region is a container for items, buttons, and other content. Question 15. How do you redirect a user to another page after processing? Using a region, using a branch, using a validation, using an item. Branches are used to navigate to different pages or URLs. Question 16. What is the App Builder? The IDE used to create and edit applications. A tool for building physical servers. The Oracle Database Installer. A JavaScript library. App Builder is the main interface for developing Apex applications. Question 17. In Apex, what is a plugin? A hardware device. A reusable component used to extend built-in functionality. A database trigger. A browser extension. Plugins allow developers to add new features or UI components not available out of the box. Question 18. Which of the following is a way to secure an Apex application? Authorization schemes, session protection, item encryption, all of the above. Apex provides multiple layers of security including authorization, session protection, and cross-site scripting prevention. Question 19. What is the Page Designer? The visual IDE for building individual pages. A tool for printing reports. A CSS editor. A database modeling tool. Page Designer is the primary drag-and-drop interface for creating page components. Question 20. True or false? Oracle Apex can be installed on any database, not just Oracle. True. False. Oracle Apex is an integrated feature specifically for the Oracle database.